Upgrade your shower game. NBC's Fave high-pressure shower head. Spa vibes at home. Say goodbye to weak, wimpy showers and hello to pure high-pressure bliss with the HOPOPRO 5-mode shower head, as seen on NBC, The Washington Post and Today TV show. Whether your water pressure is meh or you just want that hotel luxury feel, this 4.1-inch brushed nickel shower head delivers consistent, high-flow power that transforms your daily rinse into a spa-worthy escape. With 5 customizable modes, you control the vibe, from a gentle mist for relaxation to an intense massage stream that melts stress away. Your shower just leveled up. What makes the HOPOPRO stand out? Precision-engineered 66 nozzles deliver an even, powerful spray, no weak spots, no annoying dribbles. Unlike flimsy competitors, this beauty is crafted from premium ABS plastic with a rust-proof brushed finish, ensuring long-lasting durability without the bulk. Plus, the 360 degrees adjustable swivel lets you direct the water exactly where you need it. Got low water pressure? Not a problem. This exclusive water-pressurized design amps up the flow, so you get a strong, satisfying shower even in older homes or apartments. No plumber? No problem. Installation is a breeze, you'll have it up and running in under a minute. The package comes fully loaded with all the installation goodies, including a roll of anti-leak plumber's tape and a handy wrench to ensure a snug, drip-free fit. No complicated tools, no expensive call to the plumber, just twist it on and enjoy. This means more money in your pocket and more time soaking up that high-pressure magic. Upgrade your shower, minus the hassle. Let's talk value, because this isn't just a pretty shower head, it's a game-changer. Unlike overpriced luxury brands that fizzle out fast, the HOPOPRO is tested and recommended by top reviewers for its durability, performance, and water efficiency. With a 1.81 GPM flow rate, it delivers powerful pressure while keeping water waste in check. Long-lasting, budget-friendly, and performance-tested? That's a win-win-win. From refreshing morning wake-ups to soothing nighttime wind-downs, the HOPOPRO 5-mode shower head gives you the power, coverage, and comfort you deserve. Whether you're rinsing off the day's stress or starting fresh in the morning, this shower head turns your bathroom into a personal spa, without breaking the bank. Don't settle for average, treat yourself to the high-pressure shower of your dreams today.